Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating a new project and selecting resolution and frame rate. Pick settings that match your export goal. Once done, import your media with the plus button, browse photos, videos, and audio directly. Make sure to immediately organize layers, rename clips, lock ones you don't want moved, and reorder elements to match timeline priority. This early organization prevents confusion later and speeds editing, so spend a minute here to save time across the whole workflow. You now perform the heavy lifting, trim and split clips to tighten timing, then set keyframes for position, scale, and rotation to build motion. Once you place keyframes, ease curves to create natural acceleration and deceleration. That's why animations feel professional. Add effects like color correction, blur, and blend modes. Use masks to isolate areas. Make sure to preview frequently and scrub the timeline slowly to catch jumps or timing issues. Because refining here defines that you finish by exporting with the right settings. Pick codec, resolution, and bitrate. 264 is a reliable choice for web. Once exported, save your project and back up the amproject file to cloud storage to preserve edits. If export fails, check common causes. Layer order conflicts, insufficient cache, or low app storage. Clearing cache and restarting Alight Motion often resolves issues. If a specific clip causes errors, temporarily mute or remove it, export, and then reintroduce it to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.